Hi guys, hi, how are you?
Mute and yes, Captain.
Yes. Can everyone hear me?
Yes, bingo, we can.
Very good. Okay. So today the audiences that I am dealing with are little tiny babies. They are, I can see, moving. They are a little excited, isn't it? Lisha, I have Hriddhi, I have Hi Arna, how are you? Excellent, right? So today, tell me, what do you all understand by healthy food? The audiences I'm dealing with today are in 2nd grade, right, Amrita?
You're right.
Okay, and what is their age group?
Would be 7.
Okay, so between 7 to 8. All right. Excellent, right. So tell me, are you allowed to unmute, teachers?
Yes, they can.
They can, right? Perfect. Okay. Very good. So who can tell me, Shreya also is here, who can tell me that which of these kids, which of you, who follows healthy eating habits? And how many of you hate healthy food?
I hate healthy food.
Also, right.
Me too. And me too. I love the healthy food. I just love
Wow.
I eat healthy food.
Lovely. So as we see,
I love healthy food and junk food.
very good.
Healthy food and junk food.
They all love. Perfect. Now, yes, now we'll have to mute them. What I'm going to do now, guys? Guys, listen to me. You know what I'm going to do now? I'm going to give you superb ideas in making your unhealthy and junk food into something that y'all are all going to love. Ready, everyone? Hands up, thumbs up. Come on. Who's ready? Who's ready to listen how to make their pizza healthy? Right. Okay. Now tell me something. First of all, why is everyone crazy about healthy food? You know why they are crazy? Why? No unmuting each other. We'll just make sure that we are putting our hands up if we understood. Okay. Unhealthy food is something, guys, that is not just responsible for weight. You know that. It is responsible for you and your eyes. It is responsible for you and your brains. How many of you want to become a super brain? Right. So all of you who want to become super brains, if you don't eat a little healthy food, how is it going to work? Isn't it? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to give you great tricks. How many of you like pizza? Yay, we all love pizza, isn't it? What I'm going to do is, I'm going to give you 3 tips on making your pizza healthy. Okay? Okay, everyone?
Yes.
This is how you
Yes.
say okay. Right?
Yes.
Okay is 2 thumbs up. Okay. When you are going to eat your pizza the next time, I am going to tell you to not order margarita. Okay? You will order a pizza with 3 vegetables of your choice. Alright? Any 3 vegetables that you like. Okay? That will ensure that you all have finished your quota of vegetables, right? So, the mess is over. Isn't it? How many of you like juice? I love juice, isn't it? How many of you like orange juice?
Miss?
Yes, very good. Yes, so all those who like orange juice.
Sorry, Kyatni Ropani. I like juice. Apple juice. I can just drink apple juice, but not any other juice. I'm allergic to any other juice.
Okay,
Just
baby.
apple juice I can drink.
All right. Okay. So in your case, I'm going to give you another tip. But in other cases, what I want to do is, I want you guys to replace a fruit juice. Okay?
Yes, apple juice.
A fruit juice.
Yes,
Yes.
I drink mixed fruit juice and I eat pepperoni pizza.
Okay, now
Okay.
everyone, we need to allow her to complete because she has some exciting tips to give you. So we'll allow her to complete. Once she's done, you all can share your tips and questions with her. Okay, so we are focusing and we are listening to her.
Lovely. So when you are going to drink your apple juice or your fruit juice the next time, I want you guys to, instead of having a fruit juice, go for a carrot juice. Understood? Okay? Right? Carrot juice, how many of you have tasted?
Yes, carrot juice is bad.
So today what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that mama makes carrot juice for all of you. It is yum, guys. And then you're going to write to me, okay? How carrot juice is. Okay?
Tell them why no preservatives. Kathy, would you tell them that why not a packed juice?
Yes. Yes, I'm going to tell you guys why no packed juice. But for that they have to listen to me.
Okay, the first and the last essential agreement or the rule for this presentation is going to be now is, if you have anything to share, you will raise your hands, which is your virtual hands, and you will wait for your turn. You are not interrupting the speaker.
I am
please.
dealing with
Otherwise, we
kids
will
who
end
are
up
7
eating
years
your
old from
lunch
Indus
time.
school. So have a
Yeah.
little patience with me,
We got-
guys.
So we're gonna, what you say, eat up your lunchtime, and I don't think you all want us to do that, right? So please remain muted and raise your hand virtually if you have anything to share. Please do not unmute yourself and interrupt the speaker. I hope all of you can follow this. Thank you very much.
All
I'm sorry,
right.
you may go ahead.
Now I have told you all to ask mama to make carrot juice in the evening, right guys? What I'm going to do here is I'm going to tell you why you are not or you should not have juices from packets. The packet juices contain chemicals and those chemicals are extremely harmful for all of you. Have you heard recently Rishi Kapoor and Irfan Khan? They got a dreadful disease and that disease was cancer, right? Long-term use, okay, of these packaged foods cause diseases that sometimes cost us our lives. Okay, guys? So, what you have to understand is you have to be free from diseases. You have to be free from cancer. Right or wrong? Now, let's talk about nuts. If you are eating your nuts, it's excellent. If you are not eating your nuts, I want you to start eating your nuts. I'm sure all of you have chocos. 2 hands up when it comes to chocos. Yeah? All of you love chocos, right? For breakfast, 2 hands up, no speaking. Right. So when it comes to chocos, what I want you to do is, yes, I want you to mix your chocos with something we call as cornflakes or muesli into half and half. Why am I doing this, you know? I am doing this because chocos have a lot more sugar, okay? And we should make sure that we are not eating so much sugar. You know what does a lot of sugar do? It causes diabetes. What does diabetes do? Again, diabetes sometimes can be extremely dreadful as a disease. Okay? So, what we need to do is, you need to understand the importance of eating healthy. How many of you eat a fruit for breakfast? 2 hands up. Oh. Oh. So what we need to do is, we need to have 1 fruit for breakfast along with your cereal. How many of you will do it?
Miss?
How many of you will do it? A breakfast with fruit in it. Very good. All those who are not going to do, okay, we'll be healthier than you, we'll be smarter than you. So what I want you to do is, I want all of you to be healthy and smart, right or wrong? So all of you make sure that you have at least one fruit with your breakfast. So what is your breakfast tomorrow going to be like? It is going to be a bowl which is half filled with chocos, half filled with cornflakes or muesli. You must add a fruit into it and gobble it up. Tasty, right? Perfect. So today you guys are going to have a carrot juice which is freshly made, and tomorrow's breakfast is going to be cornflakes, chocos with a fruit. Now, how many of you like French fries?
I love French fries. I love Miss, my mom gives me homemade French fries.
I know. Many of us love our French fries, but can I give you a healthy alternative for it? Because French fries are deep fried. They are containing starch and they are going to make you extremely fat and extremely unhealthy. So what are we going to do in place of eating those French fries? We are going to eat carrot fries. Okay? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to send a recipe of carrot fries to your teachers, who will send it to the mamas. Okay? And that is how you are going to make sure that you are having carrot fries. These carrot fries are going to make sure that your vision or what you're seeing is going to be absolutely clear. It is going to make the girls a lot more prettier and make the boys a lot more stronger. Yes or no? Yes.
Yeah. See what happens if I don't eat any carrots? What would happen if I don't eat any carrots?
Okay. How many of you like Tiger Shroff and Varun Dhawan? And how many of you girls love Alia Bhatt? Who's the new actress, Amrita? Which the kids
I don't
like?
think you know Bollywood stars. I don't think they'll know that.
Okay,
Yeah,
but I think they'll relate. They'll relate to Tiger Shroff, right? So how many of you want to be as healthy as Tiger Shroff when you grow? Or how many of you want to look weak? How many of you want to look old? How many of you want to have bad hair? How many of you want to look like this with shoulders slouched? No energy at all. You know, this person is all sad. This person has no muscle. This person has a lot of fat. No one, right? That's right. So what you have to do is, you have to make sure that you are eating your carrots. Now, how many of you like sandwiches? Very good, very good. Yes. So when it comes to... Very nice. You know what I want you to do with your sandwich? I want you to make a sandwich which is very colorful. How many of you have seen the rainbow?
Miss, I saw a real rainbow outside my house once.
That's right. Yes. So how many of you want to make a rainbow sandwich? A sandwich which is gonna look like a rainbow, guys. How many of you want to do that? Okay.
I don't want to do that.
Oh, okay, okay.
I don't want to.
Okay, okay. Now I'm going to tell you how to make a rainbow sandwich. So listen carefully, okay? Okay. A rainbow sandwich, I think even my Facebook viewers will like it. A rainbow sandwich is made using 2 slices of bread, but this bread is going to be a multigrain bread. Okay. So your first color, this is your own rainbow, okay? Make your own colors. So the first layer is going to be a deep brown with multigrain bread. You know what I want you to spread on this bread? How many of you like hummus? Which is going to give you a lot of protein. Yes, yes, that's right. So you spread hummus.
I have loads of multigrain bread at home.
You spread hummus on that bread. How many of you like cucumbers? Very, very healthy as a vegetable and very tasty. Yes, Rishita loves cucumbers. Shreya loves cucumbers.
I also eat cucumbers.
Wow. After cucumbers.
Carrots.
Very good. So after cucumbers, you are going to now make, yes, that is your rainbow sandwich. See? You are going to take cucumbers, you are going to take yellow capsicum sliced, you are going to take tomatoes, you are going to take purple cabbage and a lot of lettuce, right? So this is going to be your rainbow sandwich. For all the adults, you can easily use even green chutney, which is going to be a mint chutney. Now, how do you have this sandwich? You are not going to have this sandwich with ketchup, okay? So any healthy kid over here is going to not have ketchup. I want you to make friends with another sweet sauce which is called as date and tamarind sauce, okay? It is used in bhel. It is used to make sev puri and other chaat items. You are going to make friends with it because the date and imli ka chutney along with your sandwich instead of ketchup will taste absolutely the same. It is going to be nice and tangy and you guys are going to love it. You are going to get a lot of iron. You know what are the uses of iron? Anyone? All of you have blood in your body? Red color blood, right? The healthier the red, the better the quality of your blood. So for iron, you must have this chutney. Monica, can you mute them?
Okay, if we all eating together, first, following the sexual activity is not able to understand what can you please
Perfect. Monica, can you bring out the food pyramid? Can you Google a food pyramid and present it?
I'll do.
And there's a latest food pyramid which has water at the base.
Wow. That means it has
Miss Kiyati,
Yes, hi.
every day I drink zinc with iron and zinc in.
Wow, but tell me something now. You're not going to have anything out of the packet, right? Because I explained to you how preservatives are harmful. So you're going to have everything that is fresh, isn't it?
Miss, I drink homemade juice.
Very good. Was that Advait who was speaking, who's having homemade juice?
Yeah.
Wow. Which juices you have, Advait?
Only have orange.
Very good. But now you're going to have carrot juice also, right?
Miss, can I tell you something? Ma'am, I also have homemade juices.
Wow.
I don't have outside.
Okay. How many of you exercise, guys? How many of you exercise? 2 hands up. How many of you are exercising at home? Very good. Very good. So everyone. Wow. So how many of you do this exercise, guys?
Okay, wonderful. We all should be together. Miss Monica, did you get it? You want me to share?
I have also posted it in the chat. If it's clearer there.
There we go. We are getting a food pyramid